After the scan is completed, click on the Orthotic tab. Next, click on the Custom 3D Printed Orthotics. And to the bottom right, click on the Order Custom 3D Printed Orthotics button. Next, fill in all the requested information fields, including name and email address. Height, weight, and age fields are optional. The quantity and shoe size field are mandatory. Next, select the style of orthotic you want, either active or casual. The remaining fields will auto-populate from the scan, but you can customize them as needed. The default Ship To address is the store's address, but you can enter a home address of your choice. After this is done, click on the Review Order button. You can go back to review your order by clicking the Edit Order button. Finally, click on the Place Order button, and this will take you to the final screen where your order will be placed, and you will get a 6-digit number to identify your order.